This is our 7th video. Pag-uusapan natin dito ang system.out.println at simulan natin dito sa ating system. I'm gonna change the color I like, of course, maybe some other colors like this. Okay, what is system? System is a class in the java.lang package. I'm gonna draw an arrow so you can see it. I'm gonna read up this. So what is a system? Very simple. Java.lang.package. Alright. Let's repeat again. System is a class in the java.lang package. And what about this out? Let's go with another color. It's not visible. Alright. What about out? Out is a static member of the system class and is an instance of java.io.printstring. Let me write it down. java.io.printstring. Yeah, that is correct. So out is a static member and is an instance of this java.io.printstring. Println is a method of java.io.printstring. I will not write it again. I'll just point the arrow here. Again, .out and .println is an instance of java.io.printstring. This is only for your reference and understanding. And println is a message to output destination, pare na alam mo na, this is which is typically a console, the output in console or file. So meaning when you run this program system.out.println, you will see this output, hello world, in our console. Again, one more time, just to clarify all things. Okay, system.out says print to standard output. That's it. Meaning defaults to command line. This hello world. And this hello world is the string you want to print in your console. We have also here opening brace and a closing brace. Meaning to say this is to provide the scope limit, and that's it, and nothing else, my friend. So this is the last and final video for understanding the Java anatomy of a class. I hope you like it and enjoyed those videos as much as I do. This is Jun Veva Educati.